Hi guys, it's Laura. Today I'm going to be working on a project. That is a loud bird. Today I'm going to be working on a super fun project using some succulents and some pumpkins. I got these beautiful succulents from Leaf and Clay, and I want to show you what these look like straight out of the box. I haven't opened them at all. I just opened up the box here to make it easy for me. First, just to let you guys know what I ordered. I ordered a 6-pack of 2.5-inch succulents. It's called their Awesome Echeveria collection. So it's just a really nice mix that they select of 6 different Echeveria plants, and they also come in a 4-inch, I believe. And then I also ordered a String of Raindrops, which is kind of like the string of pearls. If you've seen those, they're fairly common. I have ordered succulents from them in the past, and the couple of arrangements that I did make, I ordered from Leaf and Clay, and everything was beautiful. So I kind of know what to expect and that they do a fantastic job. Okay, this one, you'll see they're all individually wrapped. This one is called a Crassula monticola. Okay, and they label it right there on the packaging for you, which makes it nice. More chunky leaves, upright, very pretty. Next one is a Crassula baby necklace. So far, the inside of the box, you know, it's nice and neat. No soil knocking about or anything like that. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this one. Wow, this is really cool. Look at that. I've never seen one like that before. Very cool. It looks like he's got these little blooms on the top there, and it kind of, you know, kind of harmonizes with this other Crassula here. Very kind of similar color and structure, upright structure going on there. Pretty. Okay, this one is called Lola. I won't sing, but I've got the song Lola in my head right now from the Kinks, but I'll spare you guys my singing. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this one. Very nice. Okay. This one does not have a label, and that's okay. It'll be a surprise. These are all a surprise for me, and kind of the first time I'm seeing a lot of these. Okay, this is the, I apologize, String of Raindrops. Okay, that's a beautiful one right there. And these come, you know, kind of like you can see the roots, and just really nice kind of draping plant. Okay, this one looks like it's called Ramillette, R-A-M-I-L-L-E-T-T-E. This would be, and this one as well, part of the 6-pack of the Awesome Echeveria pack that I ordered in the 2.5-inch. Very beautiful. Oh gosh, here we go. I am gonna butcher these names. And half of the word is cut off from the paper, so I'm not even gonna attempt it. Oh, beautiful, look at this. I love this one. I actually think I have had this one before. Beautiful, like purple, lavendery, burgundy, all kind of together. Beautiful. Look at this one. I'm sorry, I didn't read the name. This one's called Chroma. How cool is this one, guys? Ooh, I love it. Then on the inside, it has like orange and yellow with the brown outside, kind of like a bronzy color. Oh, that's really pretty, and like yellow. That's a cool one. That's very Halloween-y. I like that one. Boy, this one is super pretty. Look at that. The big thick leaves on that, and it's kind of got like a speckly mottled burgundy. Very pretty. And I've got 3 more in here. Oh, look at this one. This is a Haworthia African Pearl. Ooh, very cool. Look at that. It's got like a prickly but not sharp, just like a bumpy, almost like lizardy texture. I keep forgetting to read the name. Not that I can anyway. Okay. I will go on their website and look up the proper names. and put them below so that you know what you're looking at. Beautiful, beautiful, nice thick leaves. Very, very, very pretty, very healthy. Okay, so I think I can make something really interesting and really pretty for fall. I may do two. I'm just trying to think here. I'll think off camera, and then the next time you see me, magic things will happen and you'll see pumpkins here. And you'll see pumpkins already with the lids cut off and the inside scooped out, because I am not going to do that to you guys. I'm not going to do it to myself. So you'll see whatever pumpkins I select right here in Magic Time Warp. So I went with two small pumpkins here, one small and one kind of extra small, and we'll see how that works. I also have some preserved moss that I may use around the perimeter just to soften things up a bit. These obviously don't have drain holes in them, but they last for such a short period that once these are starting to go, I will pop out the succulents and I'll put them in a more permanent arrangement. So for now, I'm just gonna keep an eye on them. I'll make sure to water them sparingly and not give them too much, let them dry out between waterings. And again, it's for such a short period of time, but you do wanna make sure that you offer proper drainage to all of your plants. I'm gonna start these out with Espoma cactus soil. You'll see me use Espoma in all of my containers and my fertilizers. It's a brand I truly stand behind and believe in. I've been using it for as long as I can remember. I will be using the Espoma cactus fertilizer just a little bit when I water them in. I'll water them in with some of this, and you know, just keep an eye on them. Probably won't fertilize them again for probably not until I put them into the next pot, until their permanent spot, but I'll start them out with a bit of fertilizer. And this part is going to be sped up so I can just get the soil in here and get everything going there. Never planted anything in a pumpkin in my entire life, so this will be an experiment for me. I'm gonna put some of the moss around the perimeter here. I'm just gonna kind of play with things and see what I think looks good. Maybe I'm gonna have to get some more soil in here. In the middle, maybe. Oops. I'm gonna try this. Tall one in the middle. I'm just making a little hole there for the roots. This one is very pretty. I could benefit from even a little more soil. I'm gonna steal some from this pumpkin here. I'm gonna do, I think, this one. Just want to make sure that I am covering the roots. From my experience with succulents, I have noticed that they are extremely forgiving. I have neglected a couple of mine, and as long as they're getting proper light, I think they'll forgive you for a little bit. I like it already. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's see. I think I might, well, just trying to use complementing colors in this one. I think I might do this one. Just have a couple of these bigger ones around the outside perimeter And then this nice tall one in the center. I like that. And what I am going to do is I am going to come along and poke some, or maybe I'll use some of the String of Raindrops. I'll do that. Put some of these guys in. So you can see that these have like a nice, very delicate root system going on there. And I'm just going to poke some in between. I might go along with some moss now as well, just to soften it up and kind of keep it all together. I kind of like the bright pop of the moss as well. I'm just tucking this around the edge. I think if you have pretty plants like this, it certainly helps. You want to start out with something that looks really healthy and really beautiful like this, and then that makes your job a whole lot easier. Probably adjust this a little bit more, but I'm going to call that a win. I hope you guys can see this. I'm definitely going to fiddle with it because I'm a fiddler, but I just think that turned out really beautiful and simple for, you know, 5 succulents. Got the tall Crassula in the center here, which I am going to delicately kind of try and reveal a little bit more. But I'll show you guys this when I place it on the windowsill. But I want to move along to the small one now. I think that turned out really pretty. I especially love this one. Look at that. So pretty. This one is going to take far less plants. I think I learned a bit from the last one. What I think I'm going to start with is the String of Raindrops first, because I think if you do your outside layer first and then work in, at least for me, it seems like that would be a little easier. A couple of these. Maybe probably tiny little ones would look better in an arrangement like this, but this is what I have. So that is what I'm using. That'll work. Oh, that looks really nice together. I feel so artistic. Look at that. Is that so super cute? I'm going to tuck some moss in around this one too. I love it. Look at that. I'm going to put a capful into this bowl of water that I have. And give it a little stir. And then I'm just going to siphon some of this mixture and carefully get a good dose around the plant here. And again, these are going to be in here for such a short period of time that I'll be transferring them to a different planter. I have some fun planters coming in from Compania International that I'm going to be doing a lot of houseplant, succulent type plantings. So I will transfer these into those. I don't want to overwater them. I'm going to put these on the sill where our staircases, and I will see you in there. Okay, so here I am at our staircase, and this is a perfect spot for houseplants and succulents like this. It's a very sunny spot in our home. The boys' bedrooms, you know, they walk up the steps, we walk up the steps, we get to talk about the plants and enjoy it together. So it makes it really nice. I'm going to link to a video from Espoma and Garden Answer that kind of has a quick punch list and like the 1, 2, 3s of succulent care for beginners. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to post a link here. And I found it very informative. I watched it a few times myself before I did this video. I hope this encourages you guys to try things that you've never tried before, or maybe you've been a little hesitant because you weren't super educated on the subject. This is new. Everybody starts somewhere, right? And if you mention the coupon, How's It Growing 15, they're gonna give you 15% off your order, which I think is super exciting and just really a wonderful thing. So thanks to Leaf and Clay for providing me with that coupon code to offer to you guys. So that's it for this project. I really enjoyed it, and I love trying something new and sharing it with you guys. We'll be doing more in our house, some DIY projects coming up at the fireplace where we're gonna do some tile work. So I'd love to have you guys around for all that to carry us through some of those cold winter times together. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks so much again.